Fiery hearts and silken slices. A delicious Chinese, Sichuan, appetizer recipe. This recipe serves 4 to 6 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 90 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams beef shank, 300 grams beef tripe, 200 grams beef tongue, 50 grams ginger, 3 stalks green onions, 3 tablespoons Shaoxing wine, 2 pieces star anise, 1 tablespoon Sichuan peppercorns, 1 piece cinnamon stick, a half cup Sichuan chili oil. Step 1. Blanch the beef shank, tripe, and tongue in a large pot of boiling water for 5 minutes to remove impurities. Drain and rinse thoroughly under cold water. Step 2. Clean the pot and return the meats to it. Cover with fresh water, about 2 to 3 inches above the meat, and add the ginger, green onions, Shaoxing wine, star anise, peppercorns, and cinnamon. Step 3. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to a low simmer. Cover and cook until the beef shank is tender but not falling apart, usually 60 to 90 minutes. Note, the tripe may cook faster. Remove it once it is tender crisp, about 45 to 60 minutes. Step 4. Once cooked, remove the meats and let them cool completely. For the best results, wrap them in plastic and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. This makes paper-thin slicing much easier. Step 5. Strain the cooking liquid through a fine mesh sieve. Reserve a quarter cup of this concentrated beef broth for the sauce and discard the solids. Step 6. Prepare the sauce by whisking together the reserved beef broth, chili oil, soy sauce, black vinegar, garlic paste, sugar, sesame oil, and ground Sichuan pepper in a medium bowl. Step 7. Using a very sharp knife, slice the chilled beef, tripe, and tongue against the grain into large, paper-thin slices. The thinner the slices, the better they will absorb the sauce. Step 8. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sliced meats and the sliced celery. The celery adds a necessary refreshing crunch to the dish. Step 9. Pour about 3/4 of the prepared sauce over the meat and celery. Toss gently but thoroughly with chopsticks or tongs until every slice is glistening and coated. Step 10. Transfer the mixture to a shallow serving platter, stacking the slices slightly for height. Step 11. Drizzle the remaining sauce over the top, then garnish generously with crushed peanuts, toasted sesame seeds, and a handful of fresh cilantro. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.